In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to play music continuously across multiple slides in Google Slides. This is a fantastic way to enhance your presentations and create a more engaging experience for your audience. Whether it's background music for a photo slideshow or a motivational tune for a business pitch, having continuous music can really elevate your presentation game. And the best part? It's actually quite simple to set up. So let's dive right in and learn how to do it step by step. The first step is to insert your audio. You'll want to start by going to the top menu and clicking on Insert, then select Audio from the dropdown. This will prompt you to choose the audio file you'd like to use. Make sure to select the file that best suits the mood or theme of your presentation. Once the audio is inserted, you'll notice an audio icon appearing on your slide. This is where the magic happens. Next, let's access the format options for your audio file. You'll need to click on the audio icon itself, and then head on over to the right side of the screen where you'll see format options appear. Clicking on that will open up a variety of settings that you can adjust to tailor the audio playback to your liking. Now let's talk about the crucial adjustment, the playback settings. Within the audio playback section, you'll notice a checkbox next to the option labeled Stop on Slide Change. You'll want to make sure this box is unchecked. By doing so, you'll ensure that your audio track will continue to play seamlessly as you advance through the slides. This is key for maintaining a continuous flow of music throughout your entire presentation. For those who want the music to start automatically, there's an optional step you can take. In the audio playback section, you'll see a drop-down menu labeled Start Playing. If you choose automatically from this menu, the music will begin as soon as the slide appears, without any need for you to click the play button. This can be particularly useful if you want a smooth and uninterrupted transition from one slide to the next. Lastly, if you prefer a cleaner look free from distractions, you might want to hide the audio icon during your presentation. You can easily do this by selecting the Hide Audio Icon option. This way, your audience can focus entirely on the slide content without any visual disruptions. And there you have it. By following these steps, you'll be able to add a continuous track of music that plays seamlessly across your Google Slides presentation. It's a straightforward process, yet it adds a significant layer of professionalism and engagement to your work. Thanks for watching and happy presenting!